Welcome to this quick demonstration of the new server installation automation in Legacy for DOS. Here we have an application that is set up as a network application. That's a prerequisite for this to work. See, we are running it from a share on our server. We set up the D path on a share on the server, so everything's good to go. We can test it. Here we see, we're up and going. Server settings here, perfect. Only thing we need to do now is to copy this app to the server distribution list. Now that's done, then we go to server install. You see we already picked our installation media we want to use for this server installation. We also have our path on a share on the server from where we want to install all the clients. Now good to go. Here is that share. We just click copy files. Files are copied. See, they are shortcuts, everything is here. So now we're ready to install. Install from our DOS box, which is mapped as Z drive to this share, so we can use it, because you cannot run from one of these modern shares. Since we have already installed this, we can simply run it now. There we are. If you want to pin it to the taskbar, simply do this, and it's pinned. That's it. You can test it. There we are. That's all you need to do. Thank you very much.